Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
UMDC ke BJP na Dadengre constituency u Bernard Marak habaya keren bagilat patai kubor mentak sngi ga khat ar tarik unailor ulaong bakaladon gejing pendon kam bakala ya ga scheme ga lamang da sarkar pedeng ya ga GHADC ha ga basapho na kasispa na ga scheme la supenja klep no halor kani ula kerpat di kibor ba halor bagi deban tokit namar kani ga lakta ya ga benreu garu bat kumjuru ya ga district council hi barok kawai Ulang ru pada kalian ke district council kala soy kajing ate kular ka banadu usnam arajar khat sa bade ban don kajing elang man la ka hendreu benai ban pej benya abyang ye kajing ate kular henrei hadu mentala jandap si post nemru kampat don gadu gunu kajing elang na gabenta kani ka kam ulang ru baki pat garu gila syai syadin ban la kerpa de ke sarkar India badru ye ke sarkar jella bagade ban khot jing elang ban pej benya abyang ye kajing ate kular khnang ban lam Hanglo kadon gajing pendon kambakla ia gani ka scheme la bendrap u Bernard.
This is a fact actually. We signed an agreement in 2014 and immediately after that in 2015-16 special package was given to the state. Khasi Hills and Dainty Hills also got and Garo Hills got 100.71 crore. And the implementation of that scheme, that fund, no, it was not done properly. The 40% of that scheme it disappeared. And after that, simultaneously, we got fund from the center for the development of Garo Hills. Even Khasi and Dainty Hills also got, but I think there is not much anomalies in the Khasi and Dainty Hills side. But in the Garo Hills side, the 40% is, there is no record, not this one, no? The bills are not cleared for the 60% is given in advance, but the 40% is not given. So, this is not an allegation, and that 40% somehow, without being paid to the contractor, it just disappeared from the treasury. So where did the money go? And after that, yes, we have information that these funds were used to strengthen the party in other states. NPP has used this money because NPP was running the EC during that time also, 2014, 2015, 16, up to today. So the money is totally misutilized, and we the leaders of the NBC and NBCP who have signed the agreement were never called for the meeting because the review on the implementation of these funds was not done. So we are asking the government, out of 100%, 60% is okay. Let's assume that it is paid to the contractors. What about the 40%? How did it disappear from the fund of the treasury of the council? Where did it go? So there should be a proper investigation, and we want high-level independent inquiry into this matter, because this is a big scam, which has affected Garo Hills, especially the district council, in a very hard way. So we do not want that. And if the inquiry is done properly, they'll find that more than 50 crore from the center fund has been used for salary, violating the guidelines of the Niti Aayog. Yes, they have openly violated the guidelines. So obviously there should be an inquiry to it. Yes. And we have been asking we have been writing to the central government to hold a meeting, monitoring committee meeting, because as per the agreement which was signed in 2014, we were supposed to have a meeting every 6 months to review the implementation of the agreement. It is almost 10 years now, 2014 and 2024. We signed the agreement on 24th of September, just few more days to be 10 years. We were abandoned actually. So this is a very serious issue for the people of Garo Hills especially, and for people who have signed the agreement with so much anticipation. It is a disappointment. So we want the central government to hold a meeting. We also want the state government to hold a meeting to review the agreement, so that we will be able to pinpoint where things have gone wrong. And this is affecting the district council, because presently district council has a backlog of 34 months salary. So this is because of the corruption.
You said in ED
we want the
judiciary.
We want the inquiry to be first from the finance department, because the fund has come from the finance department from the Niti Aayog, through the Niti Aayog. So the inquiry has to be at different level.
You mean the audit? Is a special audit? Or?
Yes, because you already know about the CAG, what is happening. So even this fund is also a part of the CAG. So it has to be rectified.
If coming to the Gamadra,
We signed to strengthen the council. So this will benefit the people of Khasi Hills also, Giant Hills also. The district council has to be strengthened, not dissolved. There has been anomalies in the financial matters because of the political party, political leaders who are running the council. So the inquiry has to be done at that higher level, like my this one was saying, Raman was saying. So if necessary, yes, we will request the CBI or the ED to inquire into it, and we will also request the finance department to look into the matter, because this is a serious issue, and this anomalies is actually affecting each and every one of us, because the backlog or the debts which is being left behind by the previous government all the time is affecting us all in terms of development, in terms of growth, in terms of everything. So I think there cannot be any compromise on this.
maybe approaching Lokaikta.
Lokaayukta will see to it, because it's not that we are not confident in the court, but since we are the signatories, and we will take up this matter with the MHA first, because the funds have come through MHA. So we'll take up the matter with the MHA first, then accordingly we'll go, because we'll ask the MHA to send an independent inquiry which is visible, either CBI or ED, whatever. Yes, because we want this to be, investigated properly.